Let's make Kraken Apple Cider. To make this drink, I'm going to decide that 1 part equals 2 ounces. So I'm going to start with 1 part or 2 ounces of the Kraken Rum in my glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. One quarter part lemon juice. 1/4 part in this case is going to be half an ounce, which is 15 milliliters. 1/4 part, which is going to be half an ounce of my cinnamon schnapps. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. I didn't expect it to be pink. I don't normally buy this stuff, but it's the only stuff I could get. Add my ice. And top it with my apple cider. Garnish, as mentioned before, is a lemon wheel. I know I cut it. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to add a straw just because. And there you have it, the Kraken Apple Cider. Drink with good spirits.